I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone, welcome po sa inyong personal reading. Let's check na kung ano po ang mga updates sa energies ng inyong person. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, yun may resonate po sa buong reading. So, baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. Ano po? I want you to know that this is also a timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo ito napanood, this reading is meant to find you and for you to hear the message. Oh, wow, cheating. So it felt like you're parang na-break na, no? Ni person in trust mo. So, I think that may lamat na talaga ang pagtingin mo sa kanya. Parang lahat ng ginagawa niya medyo wala tayong tiwala, no? Signs or baka ang nakikita natin dito, wala pa naman tayong concrete evidence, pero meron tayong mga nakikitang mga pagbabago, no? Sa kanyang attitude, sa kanyang mga kilos, sa kanyang mga salita, no? Kung dating nakatiwangwang lang ang cellphone, ngayon meron ng password, no? Relationship. So I feel like medyo feeling ko yung connections ninyo is being bothered, no, by outside factors. So medyo sabihin natin naaanin ka ng very light, no? Kasi hindi naman it, ito si person hindi naman ito ganito kumilos, hindi siya ganun nagsalita, no? Um, with the Four of Wands, naku, ngayon pa ba kung kailan parang napag-usapan na itong kasal or kasal na kayo or nagsasama na kayo sa isang bubong? Parang sinabi mo, bakit ngayon pa ito nangyari kung kailan? Seryoso na yung mga bagay-bagay. No? Bakit ngayon ito nangyayari kung kailan medyo, um, medyo nandito na kami, parang nakaakyat na kami sa isang level of connection. Ngayon pa ba kami ita-challenge, no? With the Ten of Swords and the Nine of Swords. So medyo bothered tayo kasi parang feeling natin either may sumira or parang masisira, no? Itong relationship natin. Um, marami tayong sleepless nights, marami tayong stress lately, hindi tayo nakakatulog ng maayos dahil sa either kakaisip or inaantay natin si person dumating or inaantay natin siyang mag-online, no? So, parang ang nakikita natin dito, medyo parang nawawala, no, si person sa wisyo, parang nawawala si person sa kanyang um, mga gawe, no? Um, let's check here with the Nine of Swords. Parang feeling ko nga medyo umiiyak tayo lately, no? Nababasa ang ating una ng ating luha with the Death card and the Star. Kasi ibinigay mo yung sarili mo ng buong buo. Baka si person pa nga ang nakauna sa atin, no? Parang sinasabi natin, naku, na virginan mo ko. Tapos, um, or sa'yo ko lang ibinigay yung ganitong intimacy. Tapos, ang sasabihin mo sa akin, nagkamali ako ng decision. parang ang hirap-hirap tanggapin, 'no, para sa akin. With the Two of Cups and the Four of Swords. Kahit mahal mo si person, parang I feel like medyo, with the Four of Swords, tinamad tayo, 'no? Tinamad tayong um, ibigay kay person itong ating, dating pag-aasikaso, itong dating pag-take yun nga, care, um, pag-aayos ng mga bagay-bagay. I feel like siguro because of the puyat na rin, 'no, dahil kakaantay, um, parang pakiramdam ko parehas kayo nadi-disaligned dito sa connection ninyo with the Emperor and the Five of Swords. Lalo na parang feeling ko nga nagre-retaliate ka. Whether this is through words or through actions, baka kasi nagdadabog-dabog na rin tayo, no? Hindi na natin sinusunod yung mga gusto ni person. Parang hindi na rin, parang ayaw mo na siyang pakinggan, ayaw mo na rin siyang somewhat makita. So, heightened ang energy natin with the Knight of Pentacles, um, the Seven of Cups, and the Ten of Wands. Parang feeling mo, bakit ganon? Si person, no, nung naging seryoso kami, um, nagkaroon siya ngayon ng parang options, no, to, um, to look for someone new. At least that is one of your fear, no? Parang sinasabi mo, bakit ganon? Eh ako, na-stuck lang ako dito, halos wala akong magawa. So, parang you feel like things are unfair with you because of the Ten of Wands. Plus the fact, no, kung nagsasama nga kayo sa bahay, iniwan ka pa sa bahay, ikaw pa mag-aayos ng mga gamit niya, imbis na sarili mo na lang yung ayos mo, ngayon dalawa pa. So, parang feeling mo, ano to, nakakuha siya ng katulong, tapos siya nagagagala or kung saan pumupunta, ako nandito naiiwan. With the Six of Swords and the Hangman, parang gusto mo sabihin, tama ba 'tong nangyayari sa akin? Ba't kailangan ko bang mag-demand na kailangan ganitong oras siya umuwi? Kasi nakakakita na tayo dito na the Five of Swords. So parang gusto mo to win the connection, no? To win back kahit wala pa naman tayong um, straight na proof, no? With the Seven of Pentacles and the Temperance. So parang we're waiting. Parang feeling natin, inaantay lang natin yung sarili nating mapuno. Kasi parang tayo ay aalma. So with the Temperance in here, nagsisimula na tayo. Tulad yung sabi ko kanina, medyo may retaliation na, no? Medyo meron na tayo mga bagay na hindi natin ginagawa before, pero yung kumbaga nailalabas niya yung sama ng ugali natin din, no? With the Cups, Three of Cups is kasi parang double-edged card ito. So kung merong double-edged sword, merong double-edged card. It may mean celebration, it may also mean na there's a possible third party as well with the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Cups. Parang sa'yo, siya na ang mundo ko, no? I build my world around this person. Pipilitin ko ba na lumayo? Kasi parang feeling mo it's really unfair for you to be in a third party situation kung meron na. Parang say it's non-negotiable. Once na malaban mo kahit mahal mo siya, um, lalayo ka, you're going to walk out the door, no? And the connection kahit gaano mo pa siya kamahal. Dahil mataas ang respeto mo sa iyong sarili. With the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like wala naman ako nakitang third party like in a relationship, pero meron akong nakikita dito na um, either something or someone is taking their attentions from you. So with the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Pentacles, I feel like medyo mako-call out mo siya, no? And parang yung calling out na yun is magigising yung diwa niya, no? Parang this person might be under the spell because of the excitement, pero once na ginising mo naman siya, no? Patatauhan naman siya at mahihimas-masan. So, yep, I feel like if this is your reading, might as well, siguro it's time for you to speak up na prevention is better than cure, ika nga, no? So, bago natin tignan ang zodiac sign ng person mo to make sure na this reading is for you, sa description box ng video po na ito, there is a link, no? Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, among your questions. If you want to ask a question, take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So, just check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or baka sumulpot din po, no, ang inyong zodiac sign. Um, Taurus, Virgo, Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Capricorn. Scorpio is very dominant. Sagittarius, Leo, Scorpio, talagang dominant, 2 beses lumabas. And ito yung kanyang major arcana. Aquarius, uh, did I just mention Leo, Gemini, Libra? So this is your reading. Maraming salamat po. Love and light to
Predicting
you.
future is my purpose.
See you on the
Yelling
next slide or the next reading. Sorry.
I